Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and put a big thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be showing you all my fidgets and poppets, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to dump out all my fidgets, so let's do that. Okay, I got all my fidgets in here, so let's dump them out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. Okay, first I'm going to show off my poppets. So here's one, the big rainbow poppet. Here's two, the big board game poppet. I got an octopus poppet, a dolphin poppet, this weird shaped poppet. I got a heart poppet. I got another heart poppet. I got, you can't really tell, but it's a spark. You might not be able to tell, but it's sparkly, a shape. Then I got a sparkly Among Us poppet. It's rainbow. Then I got this game controller. I got this poppet. I got a poop poppet. And I got a poppet bracelet. And that's all my poppets. So now my dimples. I don't really have that much dimples, but I have this dimple. One side's English, the other side's Spanish. Then I have this dimple. Don't judge me, but that's really all the dimples I have. Moving on to fidgets. Okay, I have a lot of fidgets. So we have a purple fidget spinner. We have a yellow fidget spinner, a metallic fidget spinner, this fidget spinner, this fidget spinner. I don't know if this is a fidget, but I got the flip octopus. Then I got another flip octopus. Then I got a squishy. I got a Rubik's Cube. I got an infinity cube. I got this. I got a marble mashem. And then I got 3 peas in a pod. And then I got a snapper. Okay, sorry about that. Now, stress balls. Now moving on to stress balls. Oh wait, no, I forgot. I have bike chains. Okay, so I got a DNA ball, and I got a green stress ball. I don't really have that much stress balls, but I'm trying to get more. Now moving on to the mashems. Okay, so we got this mashem, we got this mashem, we got this mashem, and where did my other mashems go? Okay guys, that's all my fidgets. So I am saving up for a giant poppet, but when I get it, I'll share that in another video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.